Yeah guys, let's try to reach the other point. Okay, believe it or not, it's my first time here. It's my first time here. How the hell is this possible? Look at that. You can see miles and miles from here. Marateka Lake over there. Amazing, man, amazing. And these beautiful tracks. Oh yeah. Let's continue our journey for the sunset in Gardunha. Okay, let's go through here. No problem. It's only because it's already descending and I don't like descending. I don't like to go down the hill. What? It's really that way? What the hell? Let's try this one first. What? What? What's going on there? Hellishrider, you are abusing your luck, I guess. You are abusing your luck, isn't it? Okay, stay there. Alright, I was concerning about this drop because from up there I couldn't see if the rock was rounded like this or if it was a drop. But this is a this is a little bit steep. Okay, I only have like 1 hour of light, and if I get lost here, it's not a nice thing. What shall I do, man? What shall I do? What shall I do? All right, I need to be a little bit more clever than this, because this is no off-road anymore. This is enduro. It just took me 20 minutes to turn the bike a little bit up, and I'm tired already. God damn it. Let's see if I can go out of here. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Throttle solves everything. Oh, there's people here on cars, and I'm fighting to be here with a motorcycle. What the hell? Because I'm on my own, and it's getting late to play around with things that I might not be able to get out. I'll take it easy and I'll try this way. Yeah, I wanted to reach the other place of the antennas, and this way I'm getting down the hill already. And Google doesn't know how to send me there. Why don't you find another track, asshole? No, still not finding a route. That was the previous one. Ooh, look at this. Look at these washouts of the road. What the hell? Weehaw! Nope, but I don't think this is a way to do things. Coming here on my own, already a bit late in the afternoon, this might not be a good idea. You see guys, the things I do to make footage for you guys and try to record the sunset or something. Oh, sticks and rocks. Yeah, it's lovely to ride around here, but it's getting chilly. riding here in the shadows. Let me check. Ooh, what the hell is that? That might be really hard to climb. Let's take a closer look. I don't think so. Ooh, no. That's very rocky. That's very rocky. No way I'm gonna do that. No way. It's too steep and rocky. Look at that. Nah. Okay. Let's go back. No. Not today, guys. Not today. Not on my own. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Well, but this is what you get when you decide to go explore, right? So I just got 2 points in the map that I wanted to reach. One I reached it already with a parachute ramp, and the other one is around here, but the ways to get there, nah, a bit scary for me, man. I'm not that confident yet. I'm a little bit crazy, but not that crazy. Okay, I think I found an alternative to reach the same track, and it looks like easier. Than the enduro downhill track that I was trying to. Yeah, this one is okay. All right, with this I can live with, but come on, with the other drops, if something happens, I can't go. Whoa, shit! Whoa, take a look on the road. So, and now to the left. Nope. It's up the hill. It's up the hill still. Ooh, rocky. Damn. Now I'm in a different path. What the hell? That's why I hate Google Maps sometimes. So that's the fucking track I want to reach. And there's another road over there. And how the hell do I get there? And I'm just burning daylight. I'm just burning fucking daylight. I'm just burning. I don't see any track here. I don't see any freaking track here. So I first do off-road with the XT, and then I do off-road on my feet. Come on, I don't see any track here. Who the hell designed the road on Google Maps? I see it down there. I don't see it here. I don't have time. I don't have time to get there. Man, these off-road adventures are really exercising. And the sun is going down. Fuck me. And this way, how it's gonna be? Are you kidding me? So, Tenere is over there, up there. One of the tracks that they did with the machines ends here. The other one goes there and ends there. And I have all these steep descending shit till the bottom. Are you fucking kidding me? I can't do this. I really can't do this. No freaking way. No freaking way. Not on my own. Not alone, man. Look at that. I'm standing straight. Look at this. I'm standing straight. Look there. Look down there. Are you kidding me? No. This is a huge drop. Huge drop. I can't do this. I can't do this. I have no experience for this. Or nail kit, by the way. Or bolts, like the Spanish say. I don't have the balls for this yet. Woo! Well, today's adventure is getting a little bit frustrating, because it's not a bit, it's like, look at that. I cannot see the top from that, from here. You see this line and goes like no. I can't do this. I can't do this on my own. Look at that shit, man. And it's getting dark already. I'm really tired. Well, XT, you're gonna get me in trouble. Alright, still the pink in the sky from the sunset, but now I need to face this. The goggles don't let me see that well. I don't think that doing off-road in the dark is a good idea. It's gonna be interesting. Ooh, jump. Okay. Man, well, at least I'm able to record a little bit of the lights of the city down there. Okay, I'm in the main track, and from here it's gonna get easier. Look at the lights of the cities down there. Watch out. Man, beautiful adventure today, really. Ooh, this is getting interesting and dangerous. I already bottom, oh shit, already bottom down the suspension 2 or 3 times. Oh man, this is not very funny right now. Doing off-road on the dark, it is not very clever. But of course, Hellishrider is always getting ways of getting in trouble. Man, but look at this, man, it's amazing to ride here at this time of the night. Ooh. Oh shit. Nope, this is not something that I would advise you guys to do, that's for sure. A night ride, an off-road night ride. But look at this amazing scenario, man. Look at this amazing scenario. Oh man, awesome, awesome. This is just freaking awesome. Alright guys, this is something that I don't advise you guys to do. Doing off-road in in the darkness. I barely can see the track with these goggles, man. What the hell? Woo! Beautiful though, don't you guys think? Oh man, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget that like button and let me know what you guys think about these adventures. Ooh yeah! Right, left. Yeah, it's getting darker and darker, man, and harder to see. Well, I'm gonna say the goodbyes now before I get without of battery in the cameras. I hope you guys enjoy. I really hope. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Considering in subscribe if you are not subscribed to the channel. And yeah, leave your comments below. Help me out to understand if you guys enjoy this kind of adventure that Hellishrider can bring to you guys around this magnificent area of Serra da Estrela and Cova da Beira. It's the name of this valley here. Oop, yeah, this was the turn that I almost crashed. Damn, I was coming too hot for the turn. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoy it. We'll see each other on the next one. Don't forget, rip, ride in peace.